So hi friend, this is Amit. As you all are doing WBJ counseling of 2024, so here I am going to provide you the complete process how to do the choice filling. No one will show you here. I will show you for free everything how you can make the choice filling for every student. It will be very clear. Try to watch the video clearly so that you will get the complete idea how to do the choice filling by yourself. So here I am going to provide you, once you go to the official website, here is the link, online registration and choice filling. Hope you all have done the registration. Up to 16 is the time availability for the registration. So make the payment and do the registration, and thereafter I'm just showing you a random choice filling. It is not the final. I'm just using this for explanation. So kindly check it that whatever choice is your first choice, means you want to get that college. No, don't think about the rank. If you are looking for that college, just put that at first, because if even if you will not get in first round, in second round or third round, you can expect that college. But if you think that at my rank it is not possible, it is wrong process, because the cutoff can change at any time. Suppose your rank is 5000, you can't get Jadavpur University, but what is the harm if you put at first choice at Jadavpur University? Nothing. If the cutoff by chance, anything can happen. It is once in a lifetime opportunity, so why to miss the chance? So in order to do that, you have to first select those colleges that you think that you are unable to get at your rank. So put that, suppose in first round you get the college whatever available at your rank, and if you put that at first, so what will happen is, once you get first choice, they will not provide you any better option even it is if it is available, but algorithm will not go down. Suppose there is, in this student case, there is, suppose 10 choices there. So suppose a student have got the 7 number choice in first round, so second round only from 6 5 4 3 2 1 the algorithm will check. Even if you have put the better option below 10, that is 11 12 13, they will not check. So kindly do like this, and put those choices above, that is first, and then only you are going to get the better option in the upcoming round. Otherwise there is no benefit. Most of the student will do that, I will get this college at my rank, so I will put it first. It is not like that. Even if you will put at first, it is not like you will get the better option as compared to other student. It is only depend on your rank. So try to do the conventional counseling, that is most important to do. That is, first you need to put those college that you think. Suppose your rank is 5000, so first try to put those college that rank is having around 1000 or 1500 2000 3000 like this, so you can get up to third round also. And after that try to put the college that is available at your rank, and after that try to put some backup option also if you are interested, because in some year what happens is the cutoff is very low. Cutoff will go very low as compared to previous year. Means if it was 5000 last year, it may be 3000 or 4000 this year. So in that case you may face problem as well, because you will not able to change the choices. So in that case you have to put some backup option as well. Suppose there is 10 choice that is available at your rank, so try to put 11 12 13 also for backup option if you are interested. If you are not interested, don't put any choices in which you are not interested, because once you get the college, you will have to report to that college, and you will have to uh, join that college if you will not get any further better option. So that's why it is very important to put only those choices in which you are interested, and put all those choices in which you have at least 5% interest. Don't put any choices in which you are having zero interest. So hope you get my point clearly. So try to do the counseling like this. If you want my personal one-to-one guidance, personalized choice filling, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that, but I think by watching this video you can do it by yourself as well. So I just want to save your money, that's why I'm uploading this video. So kindly check it. That is all the detail what I have told in this video. So try to do the counseling by yourself by taking all the necessary decision by yourself. And if you need any help, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. In that I will help you until your admission is done. Thank you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want, and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I'm doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bit.